Welcome, dear students. Today I will discuss with you the electrostatic potential energy of more than 2-point charges when they are kept close to one another. Before this, we discussed that if we have 2-point charges, one is capital Q, other is small q, and they are separated by distance r, then their electrostatic potential energy is given by U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into Q upon R. Now if I replace Q by Q1 and small q by Q2, then this expression will become U equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R. Now the potential energy can have two signs. One, it can be positive. Two, it can be negative, or it can be zero. Depending upon the nature of these two charges, the potential energy of the system will be either positive or negative. If both the charges are of the same nature, then the potential energy will be positive. And if one charge is positive and the other is negative, then the potential energy will be negative. And I want to tell you that the system will be in equilibrium if it has negative potential energy. Any system which has positive potential energy does not remain stable. So these charges repel and tend to decrease the potential energy so that they come into the state of equilibrium. Now, if we have more than 2-point charges kept in the field of one another, say Q1 at A, at a distance from Q1 is the point B where we have a charge Q2, let the distance AB be R12, and suppose there is third charge Q3 at a point C, let the distance between Q1 and Q3 be R13, and that between B and C, that is Q2 and Q3 be R23. To calculate the potential energy of this system, what we do is, first we find the work done in bringing the charge Q2 in the field of Q1, which will be equal to W12 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R12. Then we will bring charge Q3 at point C, and we can see that Q3 will be affected by Q1 and Q2 both. So we have to do work against the forces exerted by Q1 and Q2 on Q3. So first we will bring Q3 in the field of Q1. For that the work done will be W13 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q3 upon R13. Then we will see the work done in bringing Q3 in the field of Q2. It will be W23 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q2 Q3 upon R23. So the total work done in making this system will be converted into electrostatic potential energy of the system. So we can say that the electrostatic potential energy of this system is W1 plus W2 plus W3, which is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 taken common Q1 Q2 upon R12 plus Q1 Q3 upon R13 plus Q2 Q3 upon R23. Since the potential energy is a scalar quantity, so it will be added directly.